Hi guys, so very warm good morning. So let's look at the today questions, not question. We will do some analysis, right? So you know the image who is the current CM of Uttar Pradesh as well as best CM of whole of India. According to me, the best CM of India till currently now, the first one is the CM of UP Yogi Adityanath, and the second is CM of Tamil Nadu MK Stalin, right? And according to me, the third best CM in India is Jaggana Reddy. I'm telling you again, the first is the Yogi Adityanath, okay, who is the current CM of UP, and the second is MK Stalin, CM of Tamil Nadu, and the third is Jaggana Reddy. He is the third of the CM of Andhra, and the fourth is KCR, CM of Telangana, right? And the fifth is Bommai, CM of Karnataka, and the sixth is Khattar, CM of Haryana. So, what is the news context? The CM Yogi Ji, he is fighting election from the Gorakhpur, right? You know, Yogi Ji was the fifth continuous time member of Lok Sabha, okay, member of Lok Sabha 5 continuous time from Gorakhpur seat. Formerly, he was in the Hindu Mahasabha. Sorry, he was in Hindu Mahasabha, right? Then he joined BJP, merging his party into the BJP, right? So Gorakhpur, there is a Gorakhpur Mutt. It is the seat of the Gorakhpur Mutt, okay? So what is the most important thing? After 17 years, after means 15 years, this is the first time a sitting CM is fighting a member of legislative assembly election, right? This is the first time, and before that it was the Mulayam Singh Yadav. He done this in 2007, but before that he was member of Lok Sabha, right? He resigned it, become the CM via member of Legislative Council. Then he fight for the election, okay, for the election Legislative Assembly, right? So that's why Mulayam Singh Yadav is done in 2007. That was in the news, right? That was actually bipol. Legislative Assembly, what the Mulayam Singh Yadav fought, that was the bipol. Okay. So great day, guys. If you want to study from me, this is for the weakest of weakest student. Okay. So you have to pay this 2000. You will get all the history, geography, polity right now, and the last everything you will got it. Okay. Thank you. Great day. Bye. 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 Take care.